In this video, I will show you how you can delete a specific page or multiple pages from a PDF file. Open your browser and go to this website. Link of this website is in the description. Now click on all PDF tools and choose remove pages option. On here, drag and drop your file. Here you can see my PDF has total of 27 pages. Now select the pages you want to remove and click on the remove pages button and simply download the PDF by clicking on it and save it where you want. Now you can see my total number of pages is 24 as I deleted 3 pages from this PDF. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.